guys, welcome to this channel, The Perfect, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Lego machine gun with some parts. Okay, let's get started. Before I'm going to start this video, this is how it works. You plug it in, and these things starts to turn. You guys can see, off, on. But when this happens, the machine doesn't get turned so much, so that we're going to have to fix that. So yes, we're going to be placing it right here, and then we're going to make a machine gun plate out of this. So the battery is placed at the side of the blueprint we're making, and right here I have some Legos. Let's get to building. Legos! Let's get to building. So, I feel like the battery compartment is going to be here. So that's what I'm doing. Going to make the battery compartment. Now, battery compartment is not going to be a free roam, meaning it's not going to move around. It's just like a one button click and then boom. It turns on the machine gun, which we are going to be elevating. If you guys already know what that is, I'm going to be putting this Lego factory sign just because I've been to Legoland and it seems fun to put it. Now let's see if this thing can support rubber band wrist. We're not actually putting it though. I'm just seeing if it can turn the rubber band. It is kind of fidgety, so be ready to handle some fidget. Oh my god, how fidgety is this thing? Okay, so yeah, I put it in the inner layer of the thing. Are you serious? Okay, it looks like this machine gun is telling me do not do it. So I'm going to listen to this machine gun and I'm not going to do it. So now to elevate this thingy thing, okay, with this machine gun, we're going to use these elevator slacks. These things elevate the whole motor, which is good. We do need to elevate this, as in something bad happened. Working good. I'll show you guys. It is working perfect. So, put this here. And we're going to move this because the position that it is in right now is not safe. Not safe. Because we need a position that can actually hold up the mass thrust weight. Not the thrust weight, basically it's the motor we need to stop spinning, otherwise the barrel that we need to stop spinning, because this is going to be motorized and this thing is going to free spin, and we're not letting that happen today. What you want is you want to take a little block, place it right beside these things, or you can take a 4x4 like that. And I'm just going to make this thing symmetrical like this. And it is. There we go. Okay. So it is working fine. I'll do a slow-mo on how this is working. So yeah. 3, 2, 1. This is not spinning. And this middle thing is, which is good because for our damn bullets. Yeah. So I'll have one going to be a slow-mo one and one going to be a non-slow-mo one. So these are our bullets. We're going to need 12 of them. Okay, before we do the bullets, I'm going to do a flyover of the build. This is the build we have created. And yeah, there's this little Legoland. Here's the battery component, the wire running to the motor, to the battery component. Here is a little DC motors that I will spin in slow-mo. One way. This is the other way. So now, let's do a slow-mo. Here's the slow-mo. Now let's load the bullets into the machine gun. And yeah, let's see what the outcome is. Now these things do fly, so I'm going to be cautious. They shoot all at once. If you leave these bullets, if you put your hand in front of them, you're most likely to get a pinch. So I will get you guys back once I load all the bullets. One is set, ready up. As you can see, it's full loaded with bullets. Now, let's see the slow-mo version of the flying bullets. Let's go. Let's start. That was only like one shot. Now let's see with 2 shots. I've never done this. Let's go. Let's start. Let's go again. Let's go. Last time. You guys might be wondering how this works. This is a train motor with these, I don't know what they're called, but they take little of these 1x1 studs. This is our battery. Click it. That's spinning one way, this way. And that's spinning the other way. You can hear the change of noise, and there's also called a stop button on this. By not turning the power off, it's in between the 2 seconds and Legoland. So yeah, this is our little battery area, and that's all how it works. If you want to see more, please subscribe to the channel at Perfect 10 and leave a like. See you.